It's time to build your own houses, my little ones. Mother Pig announces, her voice filled with love. The piglet's eyes widen with a mix of excitement.
0 o'clock. It's time to build your own houses, my little ones, said Mother Pig lovingly. Her words filled the meadow with warmth, and the piglet's eyes sparkled with excitement and curiosity. These types of AI-generated kids' story videos are now exploding on YouTube, racking up millions of views and generating massive income. You might be wondering if creating videos like this is complicated, time-consuming, or requires multiple tools. The truth is, it's surprisingly easy. 026. In the past, you needed to juggle multiple apps, register countless accounts, and learn how to edit everything manually. But now, all of that hassle is gone. With Magic Light AI, you can write scripts, generate characters, edit scenes, and produce a full animated story using just one tool. 041. Magic Light AI does everything: script writing, video generation, editing, and publishing. And here's the best part: if you click the link in the description below, you can start using it today for free. Plus, if you stay until the end of this video, you'll have the chance to win a free Pro Plan upgrade. Let's dive in together, and I'll show you step by step how I created this story using Magic Light AI. 056. On the Magic Light website, simply click Create. From there, the process is simple. Add your content, choose a cast, build your storyboard, and edit. You can create a smart script where your idea is automatically turned into a script, write your own from scratch, or even use trending scripts with proven viral performance. 113. The trending scripts are really cool because you can see the views that the video has received. So say we want to pick this one, for example. We can actually play and see the video that they created, and then we can also see the script, plus how many views that it received. Or we can narrow it down from like trending to something kid-related or animal-related. 132. You can make an entire YouTube channel based off making classic children's stories, and it's super simple, and it will look good. We are going to pick this 3 little pigs, and we're going to hit Run Script, and the entire script is going to just show up here. We don't have to do anything else. 146. On the left, we can pick our aspect ratio. So, I'm going to pick landscape. We can have our language. Mine's going to be English. And we can select our style. There are a lot of different styles to pick from. So, I'm going to pick 3D cartoon. Along the bottom, we can pick duration. So, we can just pick like automatic, where it's going to ensure that the entire story is there. 202. Or you can pick like 3 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10, whatever you want. Or we can even go custom with like exact minutes and seconds. I'm going to leave mine to auto. And then on the bottom right, we can click next. The AI is analyzing our story right now. So our content has been generated. So we have a synopsis. We can see it all here. 219. And then we have our different scenes. So we can see all the different shots for all the different scenes that we want to create. And our story has 6 different scenes and 6 shots in each scene. It is all filled out for us. And we can see the subtitles. We can go through, modify this, edit it. 236. But honestly, just like one click, I have an entire story made for me based off another video that has already been proven to do well. Our video will be approximately 2 minutes and 40 seconds. And you can see in the bottom right how many tokens we're going to use. So we can click next, and that is 160 tokens. 254. And now it is going to go to the cast tab. We can click autocast, so we have a man. We can edit him if we want. And we can select in, and we can see different characters in the library. We can change his voice. And when we're done, we can just hit confirm. I'm not going to make any changes. We're going to hit next. 310. And now we're coming up with an entire storyboard. On the left, you can see all the different still images that were created for our story. We can see in the top left, we can have like a voiceover. We can choose who's doing the voiceover. And we can see that every single image was generated. And we can see the original prompt on the right if I move myself out of the way. 330. And then we can like update and regenerate any single image we don't like. So say we had this one here where like the man is skipping down the road. And see how it has like the man, the character that we use, that we created. It's going to be a consistent character throughout our entire story. And we like tagging him, and then we give a prompt of exactly what we want. 349. We can make this image again. So we can just say, hey, recreate this image, and it's going to regenerate this one specific image until we like it, and it fits our story extremely well. Now you can see our updated image. So the next step is to animate all of these different images. So in the bottom right, there's something says animate 4:9. We can click that, and now we have a choice of what we want to use. So we can do like lip sync, and we can animate just one, or we can animate all of them. And we can literally select all of our clips and animate all of them in one go. So we can say, hey, which model do we want to use? Do we want to use Seed Dance, or Kling 1.6, or Kling 2? 04281, and it gives you the different costs for each one. So we're going to click Animate All, we're going to hit Next, and you can see this is going to use 2,560 of our credits. And I am using their own built-in model. So you can see here, it says we're waiting in line now for each individual one to be animated. Our storyboard is now done generating all the different videos. 451. So we can actually hit play and you can see exactly what it looks like. So we have the first clip here, and we should go through each clip, and you're going to see, okay, like this one doesn't look great. So since this clip doesn't look great, we can click the animate button again, and then we can pick a model to regenerate. 505. So we can use the same magic light model to try it again, or we can just click another model nice and quickly. So let's try the Mini X model. I like that model. And you can see that it's going to regenerate this clip here for us. And again, we can go through each one and we can say, okay, that one's good, this one's good. It's kind of zooming in. 524. It's all looking good. And once you go through each clip, you have to just finally adjust the voiceover. So you can do it up here, or we can do it here. And we can click voiceover, and we can select the speaker. So we have the speaker for the voiceover. So that's for the entire story. And then we also can adjust the man's voice, 542. So we can hit preview. And we have Laura right now. And when you click preview, it's going to read out the line. Curly tails wiggling. The three piglets set off down the dirt road. So we have our voiceover that we want now. And then any clip where we have a human with visual face features, we can click animate, and then we can hit lip sync and hit confirm, and we can adjust what the human is going to say. 602. So I just copied this into Gemini, and I basically said, hey, generate this, but as if the human is saying it, and we have some options. What a beautiful day. The sun feels so warm. We're going to copy this in, and now we can hit confirm. So this is going to lip sync, and the GU is going to say exactly what we just told him to say. 620. When you're happy with your storyboard, you can click next. In the top right, we have cover settings we can adjust. So we can quickly adjust this. There is subtitle settings. So we can say, hey, let's add subtitles. And we can say, hey, this is what we want them to look like. So we can add those in. 633. So we're going to pick that. We can add background music if we want. So just a nice soft music or something. And then we can click generate. We're going to click OK. And our video is now being built. As you can see here, I'm just going to show you, live for a few seconds, how fast this video generation actually is. 650. So you can kind of see the numbers going up, but we'll be back when it's done. Our video is complete. We can see a title in the top right that we can actually use, a summary, and hashtags. So they made it really easy to publish this. But let's enjoy watching this video together. In a sun-kissed meadow, a kind mother pig stands. 7-Eleven. Her three piglets, Percy, Pippa, and Peter, frolic in a sun-kissed meadow. A kind mother pig stands. Her three piglets, Percy, Pippa, and Peter, frolicking at her feet. Her three piglets, Percy, Pippa, and Peter, frolicking at her feet. The piglets' eyes widen with a mix of excitement and trepidation at the dawn of their I think the voiceover is perfect for this. It's awesome. 7:48. In a flurry of snorts and squeals, Percy, Pippa, and Peter embrace their mother in a tender farewell. With curly tails wiggling, the three piglets set off down the dirt road, each step echoing their newfound freedom. The sun casts a golden glow upon the meadow, I love the tales behind the pigs. It's awesome. 8:16. As the piglets embark on their grand adventure, ready to face the world. What a beautiful day. The sun feels so warm, I just can't help but skip down the road. His eyes light upon a man. Obviously, I was playing around with the different voiceovers and stuff like that. I wanted him to say it in her voice, so it just kind of flowed nicely. 8:37. I think that minor tweak actually looks really good. Struggling with a cart laden with straw, sparking an idea. There he was. I hurried over, my mind buzzing with the idea of my new home. "Excuse me, sir," I said, trying to catch my breath. "Could I possibly have some of your straw? I want to build a house." The man relents. 9:02. "Well, young man, I suppose I can spare some. Just do not take too much." Overjoyed, Percy responds with gratitude. "Oh, thank you, thank you. You are so kind." On a sunlit road, Pippa's approach is marked by a polite smile. So, a couple things. You can hear his voice there. It flips back to hers, just trying to show you the demonstration of the different features. 9:29. The subtitles down below also are really good. So, overall, it's like pretty amazing how fast I did this. Bored a man burdened with sticks. Pippa gently inquired, "Excuse me, would you mind if I took some sticks for my house?" The man pauses, then offers a simple, "Sure, go ahead." Pippa approaches the cart, ready to gather the sticks she needs. 9:58. Under the relentless sun, Peter encounters a man. The man is very consistent as well throughout. "It looks great, laden with bricks." Peter's voice cuts through the still air. "I need some bricks to build my house." The man stops, the cart groaning under the weight, and replies flatly, "All right, they're yours." Peter begins the back-breaking work of construction. 10:29. Each brick a testament to his growing resolve with unwavering focus. Peter meticulously mixes mortar, his hands calloused but steady. Brick by brick, Peter's house rises against the horizon, a symbol of his perseverance. Beneath the open sky, the big bad wolf makes his ominous approach, his shadow falling ominously over Percy's fragile straw house. 11:04. A sinister grin spreads across the big bad wolf's face as he surveys the flimsy construction. The big bad wolf's hot breath billows, a prelude to the storm about to be unleashed on Percy's doorstep. I love the animation effect, not just how it looks, like the overall appearance, but I love the little pauses with like the still images. 11:27. It has like a really nice consistent flow doing that throughout the video, so it looks good. The big bad wolf's menacing voice shatters the cop. Little pig, let me come in." Percy's defiant refusal echoes from within the straw walls. No, by the hair of my chinny chin. The big bad wolf's threat hangs heavy in the air. 11:56. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down. Against the sunny backdrop, the wolf arrives at Pippa's stick house. Pippa the pig, figure. The flimsy structure trembles as a gust of wind sweeps through. The wolf shadow falls over the fragile home. Little pigs, let me come in." 12:26. And that's the magic of this tool. You can continue building out your story, expand the plot, and create your own YouTube channel filled with animated classics. It's an incredible way to start monetizing AI-generated content with very little effort. 12:57. Once again, check out the link in the description to try Magic Light AI completely free. Now, let's talk about the giveaway. 3 lucky viewers will win a 1-month Magic Light Pro plan. To enter, simply leave a comment below about the kind of story you'd like to create, register with the link in the description, and send your Magic Light account email to the address provided in the pinned comment. Winners will be announced soon. 13:30. I'll also be uploading this 3 Little Pigs AI story on my Franklin AI Playground channel, along with other animations I created while testing Magic Light AI. You'll find the channel link in the description. Make sure to check it out to see what's possible with this tool. 13:46. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for daily videos about AI tools, AI news, and powerful AI prompts. Smash the like button so YouTube knows you love this type of content, and leave your comment for a chance to win the Pro Plan. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another exciting AI video. 1401. AI tools, AI news, AI prompts. You can use free resources, daily updates, only on franklin.com, where you're meant to be. Music.